Insert the key and rotate it clockwise to power on the dirt bike. The system defaults to P mode upon startup. Squeeze and hold the brake levers to lift P mode. Press the plus and minus buttons to toggle the gear setting. Higher gears deliver higher power output. Press M to switch the display modes. While powered on, press and hold both plus and minus buttons together to access the background settings. Use plus and minus to select the password digits. Press M to confirm. Zero 1 adjusts the display brightness settings. 02 switches between kilometer per hour and mph units. 1 is mph. 0 is kmh. 03 sets the auto activation time for P mode when the dirt bike is stationary. The number represents minutes. 04 sets the maximum speed limit. The highest speed is capped at 60 kilometers per hour, and any value above 60 will maintain the maximum speed of 60 kilometers per hour. 05 sets the wheel hub diameter. After completing the settings, wait for a moment. The background interface will automatically exit to the normal display mode. Other button functions are as follows.